Preferred stock may have the following features. The first feature is it's obviously considered a form of equity, just like common stock, but it is also different from common stock. Common stock will come with voting rights, and common stock will be considered the genuine, the real owners of the company, whereas preferred stock will typically come without voting rights. So they won't be considered to be direct owners of the company. However, on the positive side, they will get priority over common equity in the event of trouble, in the event of bankruptcy. So if the company slips into bankruptcy, common shareholders are typically left with nothing because debt is senior to equity, so bondholders will get paid first. Then preference shareholders will get paid second, and only then, if anything is left, that'll go to common shareholders. So in that sense, preferred shareholders have priority over common shareholders.